Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a cinematic video in CapCut PC using the mask feature. So I'm just going to simply select the video, go to mask and select film strip. Also going to rotate it like diagonally, and I'm going to feather it out like that. And you're going to want to start the position at the beginning, like at the top of the video. So I'm just going to add a keyframe here and add it like kind of like here, I guess. And then kind of at the end of the video, you're going to want to slide it and move it downwards like that. And you'll have this like really cool effect. If it's not feathered out enough, like that, you're just going to feather it out a little bit more, and I'm just going to actually make it wider, and I'm going to feather it out till like it's 100%. Then I'm going to position it like here maybe, and like position that kind of like here. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!